We haven't been around these parts for a little while, y'all. You know, just get some riding experience.
Perfect.
Some time on the bike. Away from cars, preferably. We're supposed to have 1,000 miles of riding experience when we attend this returning riders course coming up in 2 days. But actually we only have 383 miles on the Hawk. And also all the miles are actually done on a real motorcycle, except for my training course at the basic riders course at the MSF, and then my DB14 pit bike dirt bike, Chinese pit bike dirt bike. So yeah, I need to hit these cul-de-sacs. Let's get some time behind the handlebars. Get to feel comfortable on the bike in all situations. You know what I'm saying? Get comfortable being on the road. I think this is Sumter. Yep, Sumter. And the Hawk feels lightweight. Use the maneuver. Not as light as my mountain bike. I can pick that up with one hand. So I'm in neutral. Am I really? Alright, so I got the idle down real low. It takes a few minutes to warm up, but it's really smooth. Of course, I got to give it some revs. Keep from running my battery down. If it runs down again, actually before it runs down again, probably tomorrow, I have the proper size battery, but it's bigger than the one that's in there. I have the proper power battery. At least I think it is. I double checked the numbers last night. It seemed to match up. But it's a little bit larger than the original, and it blows the fuses. Put a larger fuses in there, it blows those too. Maybe I did something wrong, because I'm going to double check that tomorrow. And if it still blows fuses, I'm going to order me a new battery for the Hawk. Friday. TJIF. Thank God it's Friday. But people got money, those stimuluses are out. It's quiet in the neighborhood. But on the main streets, man, people drive like shit. They got somewhere to be. Like, you're in a hurry to get home from work so you can eat or pick up the kids from school. What's the hurry, man? People cutting you off and racing to the red light so they can sit there longer than you. See how quiet it is on the side streets? Next one. This one will sneak up on you. I almost missed it one time and looked at it fall because I leaned so hard. I tried to hit the brakes. I was lucky to make it. I'm gonna put all the nick and crannies today, y'all. I've done it before. When I first started riding, I was hitting all these little nicks and crannies. I had fun too. It was enjoyable. So I decided to flip the GoPro back upside down. Okay. I think I'll get more of an up angle this way. I was pointing too far down towards the bike and you guys couldn't see where I was going. Well, the sun is coming out a little bit and these gray skies are turning blue. reason why I shouldn't. Like my boy KFF say. No reason why I shouldn't. That's the truth, man. You never know. I mean, you might go the same way every day, and it might be that one day you decide to turn the GoPro on if you catch something worth catching. And even still, if there's nothing different, there's always something different, man. Like right now, you know, I'm always talking about my boy Kansas, and he's always talking about me. But one thing I noticed about your video today, man, even though I've seen you drive to work a few times, is that the trees are purple. You got the purple trees there, just like we do here in Cincinnati. Had more dog walkers last week, though. Today it's like quiet, man. Nobody was out. Of course, you probably went in early. What time did you go in, as a matter of fact? It's like, to me, like it'd be like around 9 o'clock, 9 to 10, something like that, maybe 11. Hey, let's go down to that, it don't say private community, but there's a wildlife reservoir lake. And I'm telling you, man, those people around there seem stuck up. I know stuck up people when I see them. And those people act stuck up. They probably gonna trip out on me when I drive my motorcycle down there. Wait, they can call Green Township on me. But you know what? This is a public road, man. It does not say private drive. If it does say private drive, I'll turn around. There's probably one of those down there too. But I'm gonna go down here and let you guys see what these mid-century modern homes look like. Who else likes mid-century modernism besides me? Now these are like these are not mid-century modern. I don't think these are typical. Oh, a little hill here. That makes it interesting. Somebody doing construction? But my helmet's squeezing my cheek, so it messes up my talking a little bit. Messes up my speech. Man, I'm riding around ducks and geese all the time, and they'll never be affected by my motorcycle. There's probably more geese in the parking lot than it is over here in this nature reserve, as a matter of fact. This is probably, it says private drives. No turnarounds. Oh, damn. It's not even that big of a deal as far as nature, but I think they just want to keep this lake all to themselves. So they call it a private, or they call it a nature preserve. It's like the freaking creek behind my house, y'all. If I put some water in that thing, it'd be just as cool as this. Anyway, those are the mid-century modern homes. I'm not gonna go up here and turn around. And there's the lake. Last time we went down there, they took us to the Cleves Warsaw. This time we're going to the cul-de-sac land. Oh, look at that. Is that what you call a Winnebago? Airstream, baby. It up. So I see a lot of y'all make hug videos, man, like 1, 2, 3 videos, if that, and then what happens? You stop making videos. You making me think either you messed up your bike or you went out there and crashed. Unfortunately, way too many people be crashing their bikes, y'all, especially y'all new riders. Y'all want to get a bike as your first one, you get all excited, you out there like a MotoGP. Next thing you know, you got road rash. Don't do it, man. Especially like no squid. First thing you need to do is get yourself a helmet. Just like your motorcycle course, you say no helmet, no jacket, no jeans, no test. Same thing. No helmet, no ride. Forget about jean jacket, man. Get a motorcycle jacket. Why not? You got some protection. And not only that, but you look good. You know what I'm saying? No reason why you shouldn't look good. Hey. Yeah, baby. Woo! Our Wes here on the Hawk 250, baby. Dogs don't like bikes. I spare the doggies as usual.